You remember our last video on farming in small space, planting yams and vegetable in sack. In this video today, I'll be showing you what we have done to protect our sack bag and the yam that we planted from being destroyed by the turkey we have in the compound and some other animal. Stay back, let's do this together. So you remember the perimeter fencing I talked about? That the fence that was to prevent the turkey from getting into where I planted this yam. So I've been able to put that one in place. This is the fence. So what I used the available resources at my disposal to make this fence. The wire mesh that were lying around, this iron sheet, and then some other wood that I have around. So I use it to make the dual fence. The fence is not that high, it's just as high as this, so they can't jump into it because I've cut their feathers, and the turkeys, their weight has already come up, so they won't be able to fly across the fence. So I've been able to put that in place. So another thing I also did today, I also added to the sack bag that we have. So I was able, before now we had about 100 sack which we've already planted. Now I've been able to add about 60 to it. So that was what we did today. Now with the manure, with the condensed shower sand mixed with the manure, we're able to fill 60 sack bag today. Now I also bought some yam to plant on those sack bag, though the yam is not up to 60. These are the set of yam that I just bought that I want to add to what I already planted. Now I'll look for a way to see if I'll be able to cut some of this yam into two pieces, because it will be too big for one, because this alone, putting this alone as one is wasteful, so I wouldn't want to do that. Now because of the board that some of them has already brought, I'll look for a way to see if I can cut them into two, so that each one can do two for me. Otherwise, the ones I will cut off from the yam will now consume that one. So that's what I'll be doing today. I'll be adding this to what I already planted. Okay, this is the yam. I've already cut them. So the next thing I'll be doing right now, the treatment is the next thing I'll be doing. So I need to rub the yam with ash. So and then the chemical that I talked about in my last video, I'll be using that as well to treat the yam before planting. This is to prevent insects from destroying the yam after planting. So that's what I'll be doing now. So we're able to plant about 40 of them today in this other one that you can see that are mulch. So these are the other ones we've not planted. So hopefully by next week we'll plant on these ones and then fill up this place with the remaining sack bag. So it's been interesting. So we've been able to do this, and with the help of a friend today, I was able to fill those 60 bags at ease. So it was really of a great help to me today. Now this farm, I'll be giving you updates on what as I plant anything in this farm, how they are doing. You'll be seeing the updates. So remember I said I was going to plant cowpea and cucumber and some other vegetables, so we'll still be planting them. So I'm just waiting to complete the sack bag before planting those ones. So some of the yam are already coming up. Now before this perimeter fencing that I talked about, this fencing you are seeing here, so as expected, the turkey, they came into this place that I planted the yam, and then destroyed some of them. They dug some of the sack and then removed the yam and then ate everything. So it was really discouraging. So what I did, I had to rush and quickly make this fencing that I showed earlier, then replace those ones that they ate, then replace with another yam, so that I don't have those sack empty. So that was what I did. But right now they won't be able to get into this place that I am planting what I am planting. So that's the update. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and comment in the comment section below, as this will go a long way in helping me to grow my channel and reach a larger audience. Thank you.